Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, I'm going to be creating some decor pieces for my tier tray. So come on with me guys. Now all of the items that I'm using to create these crafts did come from the Dollar Tree. All right, so this is what I'm starting out with. I kind of like these little stand-up picture frames, and so I'm gonna pop out that little cardboard, which is what that is, and we're gonna get to painting this piece here, and then we'll start embellishing after it's dry. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called 5 for $5. And the host of this collab is Farm Charm Chick. And she does have a guest host, and it is the singing crafty crafter. It's so cute. Now on the flyer, it did say to create tier tray decor, and I didn't notice that till later, but thank goodness I hadn't started. So my pieces will be tier tray decor related, and so as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, as I said before, I decided to go ahead and paint this pretty pink color. And then I'm going to go ahead and embellish this with some flat back pearls. We're going to put a bow on it, and we are going to put, instead of a picture in that centerpiece, we're going to put, instead of a picture, we're going to go ahead and put one of those laser cut wooden pieces. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I can't wait for you to see the end of this one. I'm going to leave you to some music as I continue working. All right, so I am embellishing right now, and this piece came out absolutely beautiful and perfect for the spring and summer to put on a tier tray. Now let's move on to the next one. Now, I did have some more of those laser cutouts, and guys, they have such a selection there. It is amazing what they have. And these have little kind of beautiful colors, and the ones that I chose had rosettes and some cut out in floral, different kinds of florals, guys. But then I decided to go ahead and use this apple barrel paint. It was a little bit on the dark side, this purple. I wanted it to be lighter, but it all worked out in the end and makes a great tier tray decor piece. Now we can never go wrong with the little buffalo check bows, and I think it's perfect. So they're throughout all of my decor pieces. So I think this block came out absolutely beautiful. And of course, we have to end this with a bow before we move on to the next project. Now, at one of the Dollar Trees, I picked up the bunny garland. And I craft with these things, guys. I cut them right off the string if I'm not going to use the garland. And I'm going to go ahead and craft with them because you get so many. So we're going to cut out some. Also, I found like a wooden cloud. Wooden cloud cutout, wood cutout, and I think I'm going to use that for the stand for these bunnies. Wait till you see how this one turns out. I think it's amazing. Now, we know unless you have a huge tray that this is going to be a little bit too big to put inside of the tier trays that I have, but this is going to go right alongside of it. Now this here is a trash to treasure, and these little tiny bottles had some different types of all kinds of hot sauce that we got for the holiday, and we decided, I told my son to save the bottles. So I am reusing this, and we're going to embellish with buffalo check, guys. So I painted half of this bottle, or a little bit more than half, in black. We're going to let that dry. I'm going to place the bow on it, and this is going to look so cute on the tier tray. So I am excited here. We're going to go ahead and put this bow, and then we're going to head on over to decorate the tier tray so that you can see how I displayed all my pieces. Now, it won't take long at all for us to go ahead and put this tier tray together using all of the pieces that I crafted with. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Oh, and also remember to head on over to my channels, guys. I would really love for you to support me. Subscribe, click like, and leave a beautiful comment, guys. It uplifts us and it helps us to encourage one another. Blessings.